Having trouble setting up full screen caller ID on your iPhone? Want to show a full screen photo or incoming calls from your contacts instead of the smaller banner? Don't worry, here's an easy guide to help you set up full screen caller ID on your iPhone. First, configure the setting in right way. For that, open Setting, scroll down, tap App, scroll down, find out Phone app, open this app. Here you can see that incoming calls, just tap on it. Select full screen. Well, you're not done yet. To have a full caller ID on screen, the next work you need to do, open your contact app, find out the contact that you want to have the full screen caller ID. Once you get it, tap on it, tap Edit, tap on Photos, tap Photos. Here, always make sure to select Portrait instead of Landscape. Sometimes landscape picture won't give you full screen, but still you can try. After setting the picture up, please restart your iPhone. After that, try getting a call from that number and check if the full caller ID shows up. If you're still having trouble with the full screen caller ID, feel free to let me know. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.